Hello, garden buddies. Welcome to Gardener on a Mission with me, Tony, the tiny gardener. All right, we're going to do some more bulbs today in this video. Got this, like I said, I don't really usually do tulips, but I couldn't resist this blend of Foxy Freedom, it's called. You can see there. Got all kinds in there. I don't have anything to read on this one, so I can't read you anything. Best before the end of December. Yeah, this is November, so we're getting, and then we're going to do, so there's 12 of those, 15 of those tulips. And then we're going to do these 5 daffodils called Waltz. So that's where we are today. Get these in the ground. A little chilly out here today. I think the high is mid-40s. But this is perfect tulip planting and daffodil planting weather, right? I don't know, it's just something to do. And I guess I should have cut these open first. Come on. There we go. Goodness. That's some stout stuff. Get these babies out of here. We already got the hose and the bulb tone in. So you want to plant these tulips with that pointy side up. Looks like it's trying to bust open down there in the bottom. We'll start up here. There's one of the 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh. Looks like I dug up something right there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I wonder what that was that got dug up. We'll just stick it back in the ground somewhere. See what it is when it comes up. I've been forgetting to mark these. I'm not remembering where I've put everything. One there, one there, one there, one there, 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 there. Was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've got 12 of them. 13, 14. Got to be one right here somewhere. 15 right there. Then we'll stick this surprise. I don't know what that is. Huh. Interesting. Stick it right here. Well, no, I don't guess I will. There's one already there. Okay. I forgot. See, that's what I get for not marking stuff. I forget. Let's see if there's anything. If there's anything right here. Okay. Stick this one right in here. Hmm. Oh, sorry I got so quiet on you guys. I got bumfuzzled by that one. All right, let me move you. We'll do these 5 daffodils right here. Uh, like I said, it's a little chilly, but this is good working weather for an old fat guy like me. Not a whole lot to read on this card. Flowering times March and April. Pretty much it. Deer resistant. Daffodil called Waltz. Got a little peachy. So we'll see what's going on in here. 5 of them. All right, come here. 1, 2. So how's things going with you guys? Hope you're able to get out and do some stuff in the garden. If not, we'll say that you're doing this with me. How's that? All right, those are 5 daffodils. Let me, got to tag them or I'll forget that they're there. All right, guys. We'll come back with some more. Whew. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Arrivederci.